Now, some buildings are built to impress, but this one is built to define a nation. Standing above the clouds at 680 meters, Merdeka 118 is not just the tallest building in Malaysia, but the second tallest in the world. And inside is Asia's highest hotel, the brand new Park Hyatt Kuala Lumpur. Now, usually I'll be showing you Malaysia's most exclusive residence, but today is something different. We're going to be stepping into a global iconic landmark where architecture, engineering, and luxury all under one roof. Stay with me to the end of the video because today is going to be something really special. Now, Merdeka 118 is not just a skyscraper, it's a statement of independence and ambition. The design of the spire is inspired by Malaysia's first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman, when he raised his hand and declared Merdeka, which means freedom. To us Malaysians, this tower signifies progress, a way of saying we belong among the world's greatest cities. Just like Paris has the Eiffel Tower, and Dubai has Burj Khalifa, and Kuala Lumpur now has Merdeka 118. Behind the beauty is also an engineering marvel. 118 floors supported by 137 foundation piles buried 200 feet deep, and over 36,000 glass panels, and more than 8 kilometers of LED lighting that brings the facade to life at night. This is the definition of scale and precision. Now, entering the lobby of Merdeka 118, this is not just a normal lobby, but it's a statement piece. The first thing that you notice is the amounts of marble flooring and marble walls, okay, metal slates at the top, soaring high ceilings, and low E glass as well. That's basically bringing in a lot of natural light. So all these surfaces are actually very reflective that will pick up light and will make this place very, very alive. Guys, this is modern architecture at its best. Now, without further ado, let's go and take a look at the lobby of Park Hyatt Kuala Lumpur at 75th floor. Let's go.
75th floor.
Now, the lobby here is on 75th floor. Right, so once you reach the lobby of Park Hyatt Hotel, you're already above most of the skyscrapers in Kuala Lumpur. So you see a lot of the partitions, you have batik motif design, and once you come in, right, on your left hand side you'll see a map, actually a topographical map as an art piece, which is mounted on wooden slats with some LED lighting that makes it really floats. And even behind me on my left is also a map of Kuala Lumpur to show how much we have progressed throughout the years. Now, once you arrive to your floor, your residence floor, you actually can see this beautiful gold tone sculpture that resembles a fire, which is a eternal flame, or a flower blooming. It's just like the progress of Malaysia, being progressive and being ambitious. So cool, right? So once you come in, the automatic blinds will automatically open up for you. Now, all rooms starts from 90th floor and above. That means no matter what suites or rooms that you pick, you're already above most of the skyscrapers in Kuala Lumpur. Now, first thing, of course, you see is your shoe rack over here. Inside, of course, you have your espresso machine, teapots, and a nice sitting area here for you to sit before you head out. Now, check out the bedroom area. Alright, so the idea here is very simple. You want to make it as calm and clean design. Okay, we have some wood elements, and of course you have your soft rug here to make the place look cozy and comfortable. Of course, our floor is all wooden as well. Comes with your big screen TV. And I think the tone is actually very neutral because they want to put their attention to the views, but unfortunately today it's heavy rain, so you can't really see much. But if on a clear weather, you can actually see the Twin Towers, KL Tower, the main iconic landmarks in Kuala Lumpur. And move on to the bathroom. Of course, this is your pivot doors. Comes with your bathtub. You have a very nice tub filler over here. And some chrome fittings. And this is your his and her vanity sink with a marble countertop. A lot of wood elements as well over here. Okay, that makes it very clean, functional, and there's not too much, it's just nice. And of course, this is your shower area. Comes with a shower screen, rain shower with herringbone pattern tiles, I think. Yeah. Okay, there's a lot of marbles as well. That screams luxury. Now this is your Toto Neo Rest. It closes automatically. Okay, that's which is heated, and then the lids opens automatically. And this will be your place where you hang your clothes, iron your clothes, and as an abloy safe as well. These are some of the very high-end safe where it actually provides you a report, of when the safe is open, when the safe is closed. So this is not just a private residence, it's your private residence suspended above the clouds. Now, let's head on to the facilities. This is the spa area, where it's for men and women. It's like a sanctuary over here. Okay guys, now we're at the gym area. So you have all the high-end equipments by Life Fitness. My favorite stair climber is here. Wow. Your free weights, your Smith machine, and plenty of treadmills, treadmills. The best thing about the treadmills is that it's facing the huge glass windows where you can actually enjoy the iconic KL skyline view. You can't see much today because it's raining. Over there, that's KL Tower. Apologies, weather is not in favor of today, so you can't see much. But it's a very nice gym actually. Now let's talk about the pool. At first you might wonder why it is not open air, but at almost 100 floors up, the winds and storms in KL make that impossible. So instead they have wrapped the pool with floor-to-ceiling glass, giving you that infinity edge effect without compromising safety. And honestly, swimming here at night with the entire KL skyline right in front of you must be one of the most surreal experiences you can have in Asia. This is not just a hotel stay, guys, it's a lifestyle experience. So what does this all mean? For us Malaysians, Merdeka 118 and Park Hyatt KL represents more than just luxury. They represent confidence. Confidence that Kuala Lumpur can stand shoulder to shoulder with the world's greatest cities. Confident that our design, our hospitality, and our culture can be world class. Now this building is a new symbol of a modern day Merdeka. Not just independence, but progress, ambition, and pride. Now if you enjoyed the video today, please do smash the like button. And if you want to see more property tours and great stories, do remember to subscribe to my channel. Kelvin signing out. I will see you in the next video. Bye.